Alright, so this video is how to clean a kennel at the mall in New Hampshire. Nico's going to help us. So you come in the morning, you get the dogs out of the kennel. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take any bedding out of here. And then you're going to want to actually kind of smell the stuffed toys. And if they smell, you're going to want to bring them to the laundry room as well.
Yeah, they smell.
They smell. Okay, and then you'll want to take the bowl of water out because we refill every bowl in the morning. You can leave the bed in there, and that's step one. To take the hard toys out, and then we're going to clean the bed. We do that using the method, either with a paper towel or a rag. Spray this down because the bed has a lot of odor in it, and you just wipe it off. And when you're done doing that, you'll want to stand the bed up somewhere in the kennel because we're going to have to mop the floor next. Next step is to wash the floor. And what's in your mop bucket is, Nico, can you tell us?
It is 2 ounces of the
Rescue.
and then a gallon of water.
Okay. When you're mopping the floor, you want to make sure to get all of the corners of the floor. And if there's any areas that appear extremely dirty, you're going to want to use a small brush, and you're going to want to clean those areas. I'll show you how. A small brush you take, you want to add some Rescue to it. You want to bring it in, and you want to scrub any of these areas where there's dirt. You especially want to do this between every dog being in this kennel, and there's a lot of little areas that need to be cleaned, but they all need to be hit so it stays nice and sanitary. And then after you do that, you'll just mop over it to get the debris out. Our spray bottle of the Rescue, and we bring that into the kennel. If you're just doing a daily cleaning, you want to spray it basically just lightly on the floor, especially in the corners. And you're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. If you're cleaning in between dogs, you'll also want to go up the walls, and you'll want it to sit for about 10 minutes instead of the 5 minutes with a daily cleaning. In 5 minutes, you're going to want to take your mop again, and you're just going to want to do a light mopping to get that Rescue off the floor. Next, we take a towel and we dry the floor. If the dogs are going to be outside for a while, 30 minutes or so, you can let it air dry. Otherwise, you're going to need to dry it off before they come back into their kennel. You want to reset the kennel up. To do that, you want to put the bed back where you want it. You want to put a small blanket on the bed. This kennel has 2 dogs, so we're going to put a second blanket on the floor for the second dog. And then after this step, you're going to want to move their toys back in, and you're going to want to get a fresh bowl of water. Do not use the same bowl, and bring that back into the kennel. This is the new setup. You put the bowl of water in the back corner to prevent spilling. Put their toys back out. It should be about 2 toys per dog, preferably a chew bone and a soft toy. And lastly, you're going to need to clean the back and the front of the windows. You do that with the Windex and the rag. And you're going to want to do both sides of it, the inside and the outside. Lastly, you'll check this window, and if you see any fingerprints or smudge marks or dog nose prints, you'll want to clean this as well.